Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to post templates in Capcut. Now let's begin. On your mobile device, open up the Capcut app and let's simply create a new project. Well, I'm gonna create an easy template, so let's begin. I'm gonna select this video. You can select whichever one you want and click on Add. Now you can add stickers, overlay, anything, it's completely up to you. Right now I'm gonna add a sticker and let's just say this is my template. Now I don't need to do much about it. I'm simply gonna go back, click on this cross button that you will find at the top left and upload it to your Capcut space. As you can see, I had already turned on my auto upload. Now let's go to our space. Here's the button, let's click on it. Now in this space that is the top, you will find something like brand templates, and in this section below you will find all your uploaded projects. Let's click on this brand template and again create a template. Right now I created this template, so I'm gonna select it and click on next. Now let us see what this section tells us. Here's the video section and here is the stickers section. You can select all. Selecting these means these can be edited by the user. Now let's simply click on post. You can enter a title and you can also enter a description. It's completely up to you. You can also go to this advanced section. If you wish, you can enable a few settings from here as well. Now let's simply post. Here's the button. Let's click on post. And there you have it. Our Capcut template is being posted. And as you can see, the template has been successfully posted. Now let's click on this View Template button. And there you have it. We have successfully posted a template on Capcut. Well guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.